Hello there, lovelies. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. On the menu today is oven grilled tilapia. So delicious. Let's get right into it. We'll start by blending onion, garlic, ginger, habanero peppers, some scallion, bay leaf, aniseed, rosemary, and then I'll be adding oil. I'll blend until it is very smooth. I'll make sure to leave the detailed ingredients in my description. After blending, I poured it directly into my frying pan. I'll cover it and then fry it on medium flame until oil settles on top. And then we'll be checking it from time to time to stir. Now at this point, you can see the oil is almost settling. I'll add in some curry, nutmeg, and black pepper. I'll add my shrimp seasoning. This is a onga shrimp seasoning. And then half a teaspoon of salt. And then give it a nice stir. You can add any seasoning of choice. If today is your first time on this channel, hello there and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. God bless you. After I added my seasoning, I allowed it to continue frying until the oil has settled beautifully on top as you're seeing in the video. And at this point, we're going to remove it from flame, pour it into a bowl, and then we'll set it on the side. This is what I'll be using to marinate my tilapia. I have two large tilapias here. I've cleaned it very well with lime and salt. I allowed it to sit in the salt water for at least 15 to 20 minutes, okay? So it is very well seasoned with the salt. I'll go ahead and make an incision on it. You can make it anyhow you prefer, but normally if the tilapia is very big or large, I like to make 4 or 5 incision stripes, and I also like to cut through the stripes as well, okay? So you can slice it anyhow you prefer. To my amazing returning subscribers and supporters, God bless you so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos and also to support. God bless you so much. I really appreciate it. I'll be spreading my marinade onto my tilapia as you're seeing it in the video, and then I like to use a pastry brush to spread it all over. Please make sure that every part of the tilapia has some of this marinade. And then I like to also open the inside of it to insert some of the marinade inside. So you want to make sure that you spread every part of the tilapia with the sauce or the marinade. This is very well seasoned and it is very flavorful. I always like to put in some sliced onion inside the split of the tilapia. You can as well use any vegetables of choice in the split of the tilapia, but most of the time I always put sliced onions in there. I flip my tilapia over and then repeated the spreading process again. So make sure that every part of the tilapia is very well marinated with the sauce. And I also did the same with the other tilapia. And as you can see, I'm putting a lot more sauce in the split of the tilapia. And then I will be putting some sliced onion there. You can follow me on all social media platforms. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube Shorts. I also upload videos here on YouTube every Wednesday and Sunday. Thank you so much for your support. Once I was done spreading my pepper sauce on my tilapia and it's looking really delicious, I transferred my fish onto a sprayed wired rack. And I highly recommend you do this, guys. I went ahead to put it in the oven at 420 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 1 hour. And the outcome was so delicious. This is the perfect oven grilled tilapia, guys. And I love this recipe. And like I said earlier, I'll leave the detailed ingredients in my description. So please check it out so that you can also achieve this perfect oven grilled tilapia recipe. I enjoyed mine with kenke, and you can enjoy this with bangkun, of course, with your rice or any side dish of choice. The outcome was so delicious. It was moist. We really enjoy this tilapia. Now look at the vapor coming out of it. It was so hot I couldn't even hold it. Thank you so much. God bless you, and please stay safe. Bye.